Okay, we got it focused in on the antenna. Let me try to get this thing, set this thing up good. There we go, that's perfect. Now this is a black car. Anything scratches it could be a problem. So we're gonna get something to wrap around here. So just in case the wrench drop or something, anything. Make a note of which way the gears on this plastic line right here are facing. So right now I see them, they're facing out towards the back of the car. Yours are probably going to do the same, but just take a note of that just to be sure. Okay, you're going to pull it out till it stops. Right there it stops. Let me get something to hold this up, this the cover, then we'll come right back. Let me just set this right here. Okay, I set the camera up in a different way. Now once you get that extended out, remember, don't pull that out, just a little bit. Just as soon as you hear, feel a little tension. Next we're gonna do, you go in there, cut the radio off for about 7 seconds, and then turn it back on. If you notice, you saw how the gears came out a lot more? Then we go take it out. Okay, let's go get the new one and we'll be right back. Okay, now we got the new antenna. Let's back up here. We got the new mass. Now we know the teeth are facing towards the back of the car, So we're gonna put the mass in there. Go down till it stops. Once it stops, lay it down, and what you're gonna do, cut the radio off. All right, let's be right back. Okay, I got an assistant up there. Okay, we got the plastic cable in with the gear going to the back. All right, shut the radio off. It's dragging it down by itself. Stop. See how the antenna went straight down there? Tighten back up the bolt. 13 millimeter. It's not, you know, there's not a lot of pressure on this. Don't try to be Superman and tighten this up. When you break it, then you are going to replace the antenna. Tighten it, snug it up just enough. Roughly about 20 foot-pounds. All right, it's down. All right, cut the radio on. Antenna comes up. Perfect. Shut it off. Good. Okay, we're going to take this off and remove the cover. Be right back.